Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Outlook and signing in with your Microsoft account. That's enough setup to start. Add your email now, type the address, supply the password, and choose Exchange or a map depending on your provider. Once added, make sure to configure sync. Pick the folders you need, set a reasonable sync frequency, and decide whether to download full messages or headers. These first actions get mail flowing and let you move on to organizing, without delaying for optional tweaks. You now shape how Outlook handles your mail. Create folders and set rules to automatically route newsletters, receipts, and project mail. This reduces clutter immediately. Use flags and categories to mark priorities, and toggle focused inbox so high-value messages surface faster. Once done, employ search and filters to find items quickly, and set up quick steps to compress multi-click tasks into one action. These middle steps streamline daily flow and cut the time you spend managing email each day. You finish by tuning final settings, adjust notifications, add a professional signature, and set automatic replies if you're away. Archive old mail and compact the mailbox to keep Outlook responsive, and back up your PSD or OSD periodically. If things go wrong, first verify your credentials and server settings. Once done, restart Outlook. If sync still fails, recreate the account profile. This often clears corrupted settings. Keep these closing steps routine so Outlook stays reliable, and you avoid repeated.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.